Check out this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 27B Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, Tradesman Package, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, wheels, 17 inches x 7 aluminum, tires, P265/70R17 BSWS, STD, carpet floor covering and diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, manual adjust seats rear folding seat. If you